everyone, a very good morning viewers. You're watching NewsX and I'm Kriti Mehta. Let's start with the latest news coming in. We have breaking news updates coming in. Now CNG prices in Delhi have been increased once again by 1 rupee per kilogram just 2 days after an earlier hike of rupees 2 per kg, marking successive revisions with the latest increase. The per kilogram price now stands at 80 rupees 0.9 paise. The repeated hikes are expected to add further burden on daily commuters and transport operators, while fuel costs in the national capital continue to remain under pressure. Brian Thomas is there with me. Brian, just 2 days after rupees 2 hike was seen in CNG prices, now another rupee has been increased. In fact, Aditya is joining us before Brian. Aditya, yes, take us through the reasons that the government has cited, if at all.
Well, absolutely. Owing to the West Asia crisis, we have seen how the prices of petrol are increasing. We saw, day before yesterday, the price of petrol per litre increased by 3 rupees and now by 2 rupees. So clearly, it was very obvious, post these election results, it was very obvious that these petrol prices will be, increase. They were bound to increase because of the still there are several Indian tankers that have been still, the Strait of Hormuz. So definitely, there's a clearly now there's a major oil and gas prices happening in the previous some of the ground reports that we have done. We have spoke to people. So the major reason was, why they left from Delhi to their hometown was the increasing prices of gas and oil. So definitely now in the days to come, there are many very difficult times. We could expect as far as the global oil and gas markets are concerned, and it needs to be seen whether there is an alternative to the Strait of Hormuz. As per some reports, there India was exploring a gas pipeline, bypassing the Strait of Hormuz, but now it needs to be seen whether there is any practicability regarding that gas pipeline or not. This needs to be seen. Kriti.
All right, Aditya. And now viewers, we